Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the steampunk outfit and dress and impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to color it with this color. And you can combine it with this hairstyle and you're going to color it with the same color. And then put on this earring and also this necklace, and you can color it with this color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this shirt, and then I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, and I'm going to go to this area and put on this mesh, and then we're going to make it thick. Wait. Okay, make it thick, and I'm going to select the toggle 2. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this boots area and put on this boot, this one. Okay, and then for the color, I'm just going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to select this belt. And then I'm going to apply this golden color, this one. Okay, this is for the color code. And then I'm going to move to the changing room. Okay, and I'm going to select the codes item. Go to the codes and you're going to select the LS skirt, this one. And then we're going to choose long. And we're going to apply this pattern. Alright, and then I'm going to choose this skirt. I'm going to make it skirt only, and I'm going to apply this color for the first selection and also the third selection. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to go to the hat area. Okay, and I'm going to put on this hat. Okay guys, and wait, let me adjust the color one more time for this LS skirt. I'm going to make it this color. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this steampunk outfit and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!